Hello, my children. Good morning, all of you. Today we will discuss our chapter number 14 Algebraic Formula Expansion of Square. आज हम लोग पाठ 14 बेजिक सूत्र में वर्ग विस्तार के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. As we know that the expand form of the square of a binomial, in this fact the product of algebraic expressions is called their expansions or their expanded form. कहने का मतलब जब किन्हीं दो बेजिक राशियों का गुणा किया जाता है तब जो भी रिजल्ट में आता है उसे हम उसका एक्सपेंशन विस्तार अथवा विस्तार रूप कहते हैं. आज हम कुछ एक्टिविटी करके कुछ हल करके कहने का मतलब हम ये प्राप्त करेंगे कि वास्तव में क्या ऐसा होता है. जैसा कि आप चित्र में देख रहे हो, हमने इधर एक वर्ग बनाया हुआ है. इस वर्ग की जो भुजा की लंबाइयाँ हैं वह x प्लस वाई है. आप किधर से भी देखो, इस वर्ग की एक भुजा की लंबाई x धन y है. अगर हम इस वर्ग का क्षेत्रफल निकालना चाहें, देन द एरिया ऑफ दिस स्क्वायर PQRS, एरिया ऑफ PQRS, which is a square by the given map, is equal to x plus y whole square. But if we try to find the actual area of this square, then what you find? The area of the given picture PQRS is equal to area of first plus area of second plus area of third plus area of fourth. That means the area of first, the area of second, area of third and area of fourth. Then what you see? What is the area of first? Then this is a square because this side is x, also this side is x, and this side also is x, and this side also is x, therefore x square. Area of second, that is equal to x into y because this is a rectangle. Now area of second is x. Yes, x and y. Area of third is also a rectangle, that is also this area is xy, plus the area of fourth, this is showing a square here, the side with side y, therefore y square. Okay, then what are you seeing here? Area of PQRS, that is area of PQRS is equal to x plus y whole square. Now what are you seeing here? This is equal to x square plus 2xy 2xy plus y square. Now let us multiply. Now let us multiply this multiply also you can write MLT से भी आप लिख सकते हो. Let us multiply x plus y whole square in algebra. Then what you find, x plus y square is whole square is equal to xy plus xy. Then what it gives? This gives also x into x plus y plus y into x plus y. That means this gives x square plus xy plus yx plus y square. This gives x square plus 2xy plus y square. Then what you see? What are you seeing? That if you find the multiplication of x plus y whole square, this gives x square plus 2xy plus y square. And here in the picture, if you find the area of any square, that is also which having their side x plus y, this also gives the total area equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Therefore, you can consider as x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. This is also taken as the formula for the multiplication of xy. This is the formula for the multiplication of xy, x plus y. Okay. Similarly you can also find the square of x minus y whole square. That is equal to, you can also calculate the area of x minus y whole square. If you draw the similar square, just like firstly you draw the square, a square if you draw a square having its length a, if you draw a square, any other square, let us consider this type. Let us consider a square PQRS, P Q R and S. Let us consider this is the length of the square A. If you draw a line just like that, this type and this type, then what you find, there here is also 4 part of this square. Let us consider this is the first part, this is the second part, and this is the third part, and this is the fourth part. While let us consider this is B. Then what is the length of here to here? From here to here, this is the length from here to here, that is A minus B. Okay, this is A minus B. Therefore A minus B also here, A minus B also here, and A minus B also here. Therefore this is B. Okay, this is B also, and here is A minus B. This is a square, therefore this is B. In this picture, what is the area of total square? The total area of the square PQRS is equal to area of square first plus area of rectangle second plus area of rectangle third plus area of square fourth. Then what is the area of this square? What is the area of this square? That is A minus B whole square, because A minus B is its length plus area of this rectangle, that is equal to how much? That is A minus B into B, because this is A minus B and this is B, plus area of third, that is B into also A minus B. Area of this square is equal to plus B square. Then what you get? A minus B whole square is equal to plus this is AB minus B square plus BA minus B square plus B square. Then what you get? This is A minus B whole square. Okay, then minus B square plus B square cancel. This is A minus B whole square plus 2AB minus B square. A minus B whole square, A minus B into B, while the total area of this square is equal to how much? A square. Therefore A square is equal to A minus B whole square plus A minus B into B plus A minus B into B plus B square. What it gives? This is A minus B whole square plus twice AB minus B square, and this is a square, then how much? If you can write this here, a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus minus 2ab plus b square. This is because if you uh, change the term uh, from one side to another side, if you fix a square in that side and carry 2ab on that side, that is minus b square on that side, b square. Simply I write a minus b whole square, this is equal to this much. That means you can write also here a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, and this also came in this type. Okay, now let us multiply. Now let us multiply MLT. I told previously, multiplication you can write MLT. Therefore, a minus b whole square, this will be written as a minus b into a minus b, that is equal to a square, a into a minus b minus b into a minus b. That what gives a square minus ab minus ba plus b square, that is equal to a square minus 2ab, because ab and ba both the same, plus b square. Therefore, what you find, a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is the second formula of square expansion, expansion of square. This is the second formula, and you must remember these two formulas. First one, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and second one is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. For the exercise, you can try. For the exercise, you can try also by giving any question just like this. How can you expand, or how can you multiply? Let us consider example 1. Expand 2x plus 3y whole square. For the solution, you can write 2x plus 3y whole square. Then add algebra, or you can multiply this by this again, but here if you use the formula, you can write we have the formula x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. In this problem, what are you seeing? This if you let us write this capital, therefore you understand clearly this is capital. Then capital X, what is here? in this problem capital X is 2x and capital Y is equal to 3y. Then according to this formula, x plus y whole square is how much? That means 2x whole square plus 2 into x means this, or you can write here x whole square plus 2xy plus y square. Okay, now here you can write 2x plus 3y whole square is equal to x whole square. X means 2x whole square plus 2 into capital X is 2x into capital Y is 3y plus y whole square, y is 3y. You must be write this 2x in bracket and 3y also in bracket. Therefore, the square of 2x is equal to 4x square. Here, the square of 3y is equal to 9y square plus, if you multiply 2, firstly the number 2 into 2 into 3, 2 2 ja 4, 3 ja 12, x into y, xy. Then what is the result of your question? 3y whole square is equal to 4x square plus 12xy plus 9y square. This is all about this question. If you expand the 2x plus 3y whole square, this, then what you find? 2x plus 3y whole square is equal to 4x square plus 12xy plus 9y square. Similarly, you can solve any other question, just like if you expand the any number, example 2, 51 square, then 51 is how much? That is 50 plus 1 whole square. If you remember the formula, x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Then what is x? X is 50. What is y? Y is 1. Therefore 50 square plus 2 into 50 into 1 plus 1 whole square. This 50 whole square is equal to 2500 plus 2 into 50, that is 100. You can write, and 121 is also 100 plus 1. Then what you find? 2601. Therefore, by this formula you can solve the algebraic expression. Also, you expand any number according to this formula. Okay. Example number 3. What can you do? Example number 3. Let us consider any other example according to the formula of x minus y whole square, that is equal to, let us consider, expand 7m minus 4 whole square, that is equal to, you remember the above formula, this much above formula, x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Then here is 7m square minus 2 into first number 7m into second number 4 plus 4 square. Then what you find? If you square 7, then what you find? 49 and m square minus 7 2 7 ja 14 and 14 4 ja 56 and m is here also plus 16. Then what is your result? The result is 49m square minus 56m plus 16. Now any other example you can take? Expand the number 997 whole square. Then what you get? 997 whole square, that is 1000 minus 3 whole square. This can be written as 997. You can write 1000 minus 3, that is 1000 square minus 2 into the first number of the bracket, 1000 here. Now into the second number, that is 3 plus the square of second number, this much. Therefore this is equal to 1000. Firstly you write and another 3 zeros minus 2000 into 3 is equal to 6000 plus 9. Then what you get? If you simply write this much, firstly add this and this number, then what you get? And minus 6000. Okay, then here you are getting 9 0 0 4 9 and 9. Okay, or simply you can subtract here 3 this much and 9 minus 6000. Then you get 9 0 0 4 9 and 9. This is here. Therefore 997 whole square is equal to this much. This is your result. This is all about your chapter and the both the square formula a plus b whole square, or you can write x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square, and the subtraction formula a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so please you can try for your exercise set 50 and see whether how much you can done. Here I give the both types of the example and their solution. So please try for solve the question. Thanks you. Thanks a lot. Okay. Oh.